Welcome to the assembly of Puro Air fan. On unpacking, you will find these contents from the packaging box: blade sets, one down rod, one remote, one shackle kit, one motor assembly, one air purifier assembly in the middle, and one canopy assembly. Once the contents are checked, we will start assembling these parts one by one. We will start with the assembly of the motor with the purifier. So the first step is to unscrew the 3 screws you see on the mounting plate. Once the 3 screws have been removed, now we have to make these wire connections with the purifier unit, for which you will have to hold the motor in the air just above the purifier and make these connections. Make sure you listen to that click sound or that click feeling to ensure that the connections are strong. Once these connections have been made, now the next part is to lock the air purifier onto this mounting plate, for which these individual locks, there are 3, have to go into these slots in the plate. Make sure the wires are inside the pocket of the air duct. Once these locks are in place, next step is to rotate the motor from the top while holding the purifier to snap the purifier in place. Now the purifier is locked in place and the 2 parts have become a single unit. Ensure that the locks are right in front of the mounting holes. After this process, we will re-screw the 3 screws that we had removed from the plate to ensure positive locking of the purifier with the motor. Ensure all the entire length of the screw is locked inside the boss. All the 3 screws have been placed inside the mounting plate. The next step is to assemble the fan blades. Unscrew the blade screws from the motor lugs so that you can mount the blades in that place. Place the blade slot on that motor lug and push it and lift the blade while screwing the blade back onto the motor. Do this process for all the 3 blades. Once all the 3 blades are placed on the motor, next step will be to assemble the canopies on the down rod. Holding the down rod from top to bottom, top being the end cap, we will first place the top canopy from the bottom of the round rod, and then followed by the bottom canopy. Once this assembly is done, next step is passing the twisted wire through the canopy set and down rod. Next step is to hang the down rod from the shackle kit, and then the fan will be assembled onto the down rod using the safety screw. Place the fan onto the down rod by matching the holes on the shaft and the down rod, and then tightening it with the safety screw. The fan has been mounted properly. Next step is to make the connections. Attach the wires pass through the down rod onto the terminal connector and ensure a tight lock by screwing this connection of the uplight has to be made. This 4-pin connector has to be placed onto that canopy connector that you can see. Adjust the canopy to make this connection of uplight, and once the connection has been made, rotate the canopy so that there is no stress on the connector. Connection is made. Pull down the bottom canopy to cover all the connections and pull up the top canopy to hide the remaining down rod height. Once the connection is made and the power is on, the fan is functional.